Hi everyone! Today we are looking at a masterpiece of the 90s, Creep by Radiohead. This song is perfect for English learners because the words are clear and the emotions are very strong. Before we analyze the lyrics, let's look at the profile of this famous track. Creep is an alternative rock song released in 1992 by the English band Radiohead. It is one of the most famous songs in the world because it talks about universal themes like feeling different or not good enough for someone else. An interesting curiosity: the lead singer, Tom York, wrote this song before the band became famous. At the beginning, the members of Radiohead didn't like the song very much, but today it is their biggest hit. Even if you are a beginner in English, you can understand the deep meaning of these words.
When you were here before, couldn't look you in the eye. You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry.
In this first verse, the singer is talking to a person he loves. He says, "When you were here before," because he is remembering a moment from the past. He says he couldn't look you in the eye. In English, when you cannot look someone in the eye, it usually means you are very shy, nervous, or you feel less important than the other person. Then, he describes this person. "You're just like an angel." This is a metaphor. He thinks the other person is perfect, beautiful, and pure. Because this person is so perfect, he feels sad. He says, "Your skin makes me cry." This means her beauty is so great that it hurts him because he feels he is not good enough for her.
You float like a feather in a beautiful world. I wish I was special. You're so fucking special.
In the first line, the singer says, "You float like a feather." What is a feather? A feather is one of the many soft, light things that cover a bird's body. Because they are so light, they can move easily in the wind. A feather is very light and beautiful. This means the person he loves lives a life that is easy, graceful, and happy. She lives in a beautiful world, while the singer feels his world is dark or difficult. Then we see his big dream. "I wish I was special." He wants to be important, talented, or unique. He uses the word special because he thinks he is normal or boring. Finally, he says, "You're so special." He is sure that the other person is amazing, but he is sad because he thinks he is different from her.
But I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here.
This is the heart of the song. After describing the perfect person, the singer looks at himself and feels bad. He uses two very strong words, creep and weirdo. What is a creep? It is a person who is strange or makes others feel uncomfortable. What is a weirdo? This is a very common informal word for someone who is weird or strange and does not fit in with the group. Then he asks a question. "What the hell am I doing here?" The phrase "what the hell" is used to show that he is very confused, angry, or frustrated. He feels that he is in the wrong place. Finally, he says, "I don't belong here." This is a very important sentence for English learners. To belong means to be in the right place or to be part of a group. By saying "I don't belong," he is saying that he feels like an outsider.
It's okay. I wanna have control. I want a perfect body. I want a perfect soul.
In this part, the singer is very determined. When he says, "I don't care if it hurts," he means that pain is not important. He is ready to suffer to reach his goal. He says, I want to have control because he wants to be the master of his life and his chaotic emotions. Then, he describes 2 ways he wants to be perfect. A perfect body is about the outside, his physical look, while a perfect soul is about the inside, his spirit and his heart. He wants to change completely, both externally and internally.
I want you to notice when I'm not around. You're so fucking special. I wish I was special.
In these lines, the singer expresses a very common feeling. When he says, "I want you to notice when I'm not around," he wants the other person to miss him or see that he is gone. The verb to notice means to see or become aware of something. Finally, he repeats the main idea of the song. He says, "You're so very special," because he admires the other person. Then, he says, "I wish I was special," to show his sadness. He wants to be unique and important, just like the person he loves. In the original song, the lyrics are, "You're so fucking special." However, in many radio versions and for students, the word is changed to, "You're so very special," or just, "You're so special." Why? The word fucking is a strong profanity, a bad word. It is used in the song to show very strong emotion or frustration. But to be polite, or to play the song in public, we use very or so instead. Both versions have the same meaning. The person is incredibly unique and important. In this part of the song, the music becomes very loud and fast. The singer repeats the verb to run. When he says she's running out, it can have 2 meanings. Physical movement. The person is literally leaving the room or the place. The metaphor. It shows that the person is escaping from the singer's world. She is free and fast, while the singer feels stuck in his sadness. The repetition of run, run, run represents the energy and the speed of the person he admires. She is moving away, and he cannot follow her. In conclusion, Creep is a song about the struggle to accept ourselves. The singer feels different from others and thinks he is not perfect or special. He feels like an outsider or a weirdo. The message of the song is very human. Almost everyone feels like they don't belong at some point in their life. Radiohead uses these simple words to show that it is okay to feel these emotions. Even if the song sounds sad, it connects people who feel the same way. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked our analysis of Creep. As you know, this song is a huge success all over the world. It is a legendary track, and now you can understand every word when you listen to it. If you want to see more videos about the biggest hits in music history, please subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for being here today. Keep practicing your English, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Have a good one. Bye!